Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. Guys, today we talk about that Facebook marketing. So how we can promoting business on Facebook marketing? What are the various steps? What are the URLs on the Facebook marketing purpose? First of all, the URL will be called facebook.com/digitalrakesh. Here, when we posting will be here, the option will be promoting for photo and video, get WhatsApp message and check in and everything will be here. This option will be here. We know the more options. There's a one more benefit is called each and every Facebook page will be connecting for Instagram account where edit that will be in Instagram. First option. Next will be WhatsApp. These two will be compulsory important. Instagram and WhatsApp. Two will be connect. Second thing will be the URL will be called business.facebook.com/ your page name is a one more procedure is a one more procedure here. What is the difference between the this URL and this URL? Completely different. We can go with this one. Why? We can come into this one. We're searching for notepad. This is a major URL. This is a business URL. Here Facebook will be divided for the three options: Facebook profile, page and group. Facebook page is the your branding. Facebook page is the your branding. In your Facebook profile, only we have to post content will be through page and through groups here. Suppose if I'm selecting any one SEO, what is the difference between the profile and the page? We can activate your page along with the groups also. Along with the groups also. In this one, we can come into the groups. If you join any new groups, you can go with them here. Just you can go this here. This all will be. When selecting for join group here, in this option, here we can join in with the profile and with the page also. So there will be option will be given through profile, through page. So both will be flexible. When you're joining for a particular group, the benefit is called when you're posting through business page, here group also will be visible here. If you're joining with the group will be through page, here the benefit is called at a time will be posting for content in the business.facebook.com/ your page name will be posting for your page and Instagram and your particular group. Suppose I'm selecting one photograph. Any photograph you can select. Instagram select, group selected. Here you can information will be ready, and here anytime will be only post option, Instagram and group. This is only eligible by the photos. Links also will be not eligible. Only photos will be eligible for Instagram, but link eligible by page and groups also. So that is called you're joining any group, two option by profile, by groups, by profile, by page to joining for groups. Profile wise joining for groups, page wise joining for groups. What is the benefit when open for Facebook business page? It will be posting for Facebook page and your particular group when you're joining through page option. When it is posting for that option, when it is approved, when it is approved, you can posting for that particular post on the particular groups by using Facebook page. Without opening groups, you can post only use option will be Facebook page option. Now I can show you here how to join. I'm joining for this Rakesh group. Join the group. When it is done, it will showing for your particular group option. Thing is that go to groups here. This all will be linking groups to joining with your Facebook page. This is a big market for your particular option. is only eligible by the photos to share content for to business page. Next one, here options are photo and video, get message, feeling, everything will be here. The option will be here. If we need more options, if we need more option, that option name is called facebook.com/creator studios. Facebook.com/creator studios. Here, two benefits are there in this market. We can posting for Facebook and we can posting for Instagram also. We have two option will be eligible on the posting for Facebook Creator Studio. I'll show you one benefit here through selecting Instagram. Now I'm showing here. I'm selecting Instagram. I'm selecting for create a post option. Previous I'm posting, they're showing for Instagram here in the option. Now I'm posting for Instagram. Only image you can select. What are the image will be here? You can posting for Facebook page also. Copy. Any Facebook marketing, any social marketing, the two things are very important. Either it will be tagging and Ash will be trending. So here is my previous post. I have to refresh. First you can check what is my previous post is here. Is a 3 minutes back post. Now I'm told to done by post will be here. Publish. Yeah, done by. Post will done by Facebook and Instagram. Now refresh. Will be check here in the particular option on the Facebook page. Just now here. When done by Facebook registry, where we done by Instagram, where you can visible by the Facebook page. So that is called every Facebook page only link with the one Instagram. So the Instagram already linked with the Facebook, another Facebook page is not linked with your Instagram account. One Facebook page only for one Instagram account. This compulsory keep it in mind, work on the Facebook market. Here, very, very important key point in the Facebook market time. They will be posting for create post, add story, upload video, multiple videos, go live, post video across pages. At a time, one video we can posting for number of pages. One video we can posting for a number of pages. So if I'm selecting this one, we have to selecting the particular video here, select the page and start the uploading. First I'm selecting pages here. I'm selecting for primary page. Now I'm selecting for secondary page. Upload the two pages, one video. So we can go to the video option, select here, where exact video here, copy the text and upload it. Here, what is the primary page is there? What is update your title, description, key tags? Auto update for the below page also. Now you can see this one. I'm update title here. In this I'm updating for description. So yeah, just is waiting for upload here. Here will be adding for your particular thumbnail option. Thumbnail where add image, download and thumbnail. Thumbnail is more important for here in this. So video was uploading, you have to wait for the certain seconds. When it's finishing for 100%, you can start your posting will be here. It is done by in this. Here will be hashtag. Here two things. Publish, premiere, schedule and backdate and save draft. Here only available by the publish, schedule, backdate, save draft. Only primary page we can visible by the premiere option. Premiere nothing but we can start your streaming on the particular platform. Suppose it will be coming to 11:20. They will be start after 15 minutes. 11:20. After 11:35 you can go for 11:35 after. So yeah, maybe time will be changed. It will go for 23. Yeah, why? Because it will be going to PM now, so they will be decided for the 23, or 38. So I go for 35. So minimum required for 15 minutes up to we can 7 days. Previous and this now what the changes will be here. Facebook page any schedule post 15 minutes to up to 7 days for the particular premier option. For the Facebook page, you can schedule only available by the 10 minutes to up to in the particular 6 months time. So a lot of different will be the particular premium. So premium will be scheduled and will be done. Next will be we can selecting will be here. Go for schedule post. In this select the date. So what is the time will be 23. So what is required for 10 minutes to up to 75 days. It will be coming to the complete for 6 months. Here will be. Here will be schedule. We can go for publish it. The two things will be done. One is a premiere, second will be schedule post. Will be done by in the particular Facebook business page, marketing of Facebook Creator Studio. So in this option, we have to done by in this. So same like that, we have to do anything will be here. So add story. So which page you can directly add it here. So all pages, you can add your particular photo story here. Add it in this. And you can add your text. So text will be add your simple. So what we can writing for here? So it will be here. Say story. Same like that you can go for the create post. A lot of options are there here. So be depend on the pages. Here all options are in this. So yeah, multiple videos uploading. So one page we can uploading for multiple videos. The all videos keep it on one folder and upload it and promote the market. Each and every market, the major thing is called share onto the groups. Share onto the groups. So how we can share there will be groups. Here, the two things are here. One is called based on the profile, based on the page. You're setting for based on the page. When you click for share, only share to group, share to page, and copy link. When share with your profile option, the lot of options are here. Share on public, newsfeed, your story, and send in a message, share to a group, share to a page, share on friend's profile, and copy link. These all method will be given on the particular Facebook market. So if you want share anything on the particular groups, select the group will be here. Here all groups are here. First of all, we have to add the particular in this option and click for your related groups for share it. As such for any group will be adding for through profile option. Page groups does not showing for profile and profile groups does not showing for page. Both will be eligible for the profile and page. They're visible by the both page and profile. So that is the different for marketing for the particular platform will be given by the which one to the option will be called in the particular Facebook profile and a Facebook page. So anything is marketing important for your particular option is called Facebook page and groups and Facebook profile. The major thing is called any market we can reach guidelines will be two things. One will be hashtag, second will be @. So when tagging for any friend here, there will be share and the option will be friends timeline. Here we'll be selecting for any person and posting will be here and click for post. These are tagging for particular person. They're showing for their profile option. This is a method we have to use and utilize them and increase the Facebook market by using share on public, share on newsfeed, story, and send a message for individual persons. Share to the groups, share to your different pages, and share your other friends timeline. any friend will be there. Selecting the particular friends, and just you can selecting for any friend, and the particular option will be here, and click for post. This is a method we can use for the increase the Facebook marketing and particular business. And don't repeating for regular task. You have to repeat only for weekly, two times or max three times to share on the groups. Friends timeline, weekly one or two times we can sharing for any best friends, 10 members, and increase the business and reach and valuable information. And if you share any kind of friends, the related friends is very important to catch up the point and increase the your business views, and lead will be generate. Thank you. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. Please, if you like the video, like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel. If you have any kind of issues, please ask me. I'll clear the doubt in depth and fix the upload the video on the YouTube channel.